Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on the 2022 CF Moto 650 NK. So long gone are the days when you used to have both Imperial metric on the same screen, and now we've got digital dash panels. You can actually cycle between the two. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So obviously we need to have our ignition on and the screen loaded up. And we're going to be using these 4 buttons down the left hand side here. So we've got up, enter, return and down. So to get to this option we need to hold in the enter, which will take us to this menu here. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to settings and then hit enter again. And then of course at the top there you have units. Once you go into units you've got the speed there, so click enter again, and then we can change that between kilometers an hour and miles an hour. So if I'm going to change it to miles an hour, I'm just going to hit enter down there and you will have actually seen it down there change. So we've got the same for time format. We can go into time format and you can change it from 12 to 24 hours. So as you can see I've got it up there in 12 hour. I'm just going to hit on 24 hours and it's changed there and removed the AM up the top. And then of course we can go down to temperature and you can cycle between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. So again I'm just going to change that. And then once we come out this menu, the dash has changed. We've got miles an hour, we've got Fahrenheit that will be measuring in now, we've got miles per gallon, and also we've got the time as a 12-hour clock there. So there we go. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.